Right. What you want to do is you want to line the top of that up with the top in there until that blocks this out. Not above it, not below it, and then superimpose that right over the spot you want it to hit. See what I mean?
Yeah.
It's called a sight picture. Bullseye. Hit in the orange, hit in the ball. Okay? Body back. Better. Much better. Better shooting too.
Deadeye.
Lock that elbow. Good job.
Nice.